Hey, welcome back to the adventures of Bobby and Bobby. Not an adventure yet. We're still working on that. There's a box here. I've got two. You see the empty box there? There's another one for the other side over there. We're going to mount this under here and give us a little storage so we can. This can't stay because we have the camper going on here. So instead of carrying stuff in here, we will be carrying it here. The box came really well packed. There's no dents. And this here is going to go on that side over there. So we're going to put that down there and see how it fits. I'm planning on probably drilling. There's rails underneath, and I'm probably going to drill 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Probably a 3/8, bolt with a nut. Make sure I shim it down enough. Make sure I also keep it back far enough so that the door can open. It seems pretty sturdy. Comes with keys. The gasket seems actually to be not flimsy at all. There's not much room though, to be honest. I didn't want it to be too big because when we put the camper on, we're going to put boxes in the cutout for where the Arctic Fox has a cutout in the center here. So those will be the bigger boxes. So we'll have the two small, and I may actually add boxes on the back, a slightly smaller version of this back there, along with another one on the other side. So that's another project coming up. We'll be doing it probably this weekend. I'm still going to do the rear differential fluid, and got some cleaning up to do underneath before I mount these. But other than that, it's getting there, and we just got to go up and get the camper. So this was a real short video. Like and subscribe, and a couple days I'll be mounting these, and I will film the whole thing. Have a great day. Peace. What I forgot to say, I'm just going to add this into the video. So wherever this pops up, I did it as an afterthought. I will put a link to these. I bought them on Amazon. I got the pair, I think around $300. They were like $150. Actually, they're like 1 1/4 a piece. And then there was like $39 shipping. It came with FedEx. As far as I can tell, this one has no real, got a minor scratch here and there. And that's actually me rubbing some dirt up there. But otherwise, and fancy lock. But over there, there's no dents in that box either. So I'm really thinking that these came in really good shape. And they're heavy. They're definitely not light. This gasket is pretty heavy duty. It's got a good rubber smell to it too. So I just wanted to add this in. So around $300 or $325, something like that for the pair. And they came within 5, 6 days. I think they came out of California. And I'll put a link below. Okay, and I will get back with the video.